she just wanna fuck you too. Say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you. I do drugs too, she a
UnicornFairies, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe, hope you enjoy this video and thumbs up. And for all y'all that are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell, you know, just so you get a notification, you know, every time I upload. So that way you can make sure you watch my stuff and thumbs up too. And all y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Always comment, thank you. Getting into this video, I'm just combing out my little bush, you know. I had just recently did a big chop, so it's just growing out, just growing too fast. Anyways, I'm gonna cornrow myself up real good, you know. Not real good, y'all. Why would I ever lie like that? Like, let me stop. I'm gonna attempt to cornrow this little bush, you know. I don't care if my braids are perfect or not, because ain't nobody about to see them. A whole wig about to go right up on top of this. I just wanted to show this, yeah, you know, just because. Alright, so there, I was trying to show y'all that I was like connecting the last braid into the braid that I'm currently braiding. So I'm just gonna do that all around my head. And I'm not gonna talk through this. I'm just gonna pop back in when I need to. Oh, and I'm gonna attempt to do the little timestamp thing on this video. So, you know, if you don't really wanna sit here and watch me cornrow my whole head up, you can just skip to me putting on the wig and talking about the wig and stuff. Okay? Cool. use the back real quick, putting this wig cap on. I'm not about to do a ball cap method with this. So you see I have the 𝕬𝕴 lace Fulani box. That's what it was called, by Sister Wigs. The style was cute. I mean, I got it from my local beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure you can find it like on one of those little websites that people be going on. I'm gonna try to look for it for y'all and put the link in the description. Y'all can pick which website y'all wanna, you know, buy it off of. But y'all seen the lace tint that I was using, the even lace tint. Y'all, I did not know, like, it takes forever for this to dry, obviously, because, y'all, I swear, every time I thought I blow dried it, like, completely, y'all, the lace tint was still, like, just getting everywhere. It was getting all over my forehead. It was just not cute, y'all. So, like, next time if I put this wig back on, I'm gonna use my Sally Hansen leg tan spray because I really like that. I mean, even though this color was, you know, pretty good, but y'all seen all that product that was on my forehead? Like, that's unnecessary. So right there, I'm just laying the cap down with some Ghost Bond glue, just one layer, because like I said before, I don't plan on wearing this wig for too long. I just ain't want the wig cap to be moving back. So right there, you see me trying to dry the lace some more because, like, it was just not doing it for me. And y'all, I got big head. This wig, it was not really big head friendly. I mean, I finessed it, but it was a struggle, y'all. The sides didn't come up as far as I would have liked them to. I mean, and like, I get where they was going with the construction because, you know, you're trying to get this wigs done and multiplied, you know, fast, but I think I would have liked it better if it was like, if that was just fully all lace and they personally took the time to braid. Like, that would have been well appreciated. It was like, all they took was like them little crochet pre-braids and they just sewed down certain parts of the braid to the lace. The only thing that was actually like hand stitched lace was the baby hairs. But I mean, I appreciate baby hairs not being like all extra thick and stuff. I mean, they was long as hell, but they wasn't too thick. So y'all see like them little parts where I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see it. Them little parts where it look like the braids is like buckling. That's because those certain parts of the braids were not sewn down, as y'all seen. They only stitched certain parts. And I'm gonna try this edge booster stuff. I think because of this being, it was probably like a blend, a synthetic blend for the baby hairs. I think that's why the edge booster wasn't working, but like, I tried, y'all. The baby hairs was not doing it. And I was not about to cut off the baby hairs because then if I would have did that, I would have had to actually do a ball cap method, y'all. And I was not doing that. I was waiting on one specific wig to come in, and God was on my side because he sent that wig within like 3 days of me wearing this. And y'all, I swear to God, I did not wear this wig for more than a week. If it was even that, I don't even think I wore it for a full week. But you guys, we're almost at the end of the video anyways. All you're gonna see me do is put on an elastic band to try to lay the baby hairs, to try to get them to stay down. So that was pretty much it. I mean, like I said, I don't like the wig. It could have been constructed better, but you know, you get your money's worth. This wig was like $40 in my beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper online, like always. And like I said, it wasn't a bad wig. It was actually coming off as scalp with that lace. Like, I was surprised. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It was just the baby hairs. Like, if they could do something with that, then yeah. they be in there. They got something going for them. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And make sure y'all thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Let me know if you like this wig or not. Let me know if you would buy this and attempt to put this on your head. Please. See y'all in the next video. I'm out.